guys, it's Gus. Today we're going to be checking out my new toy, the new Mojave EXB. Got all kinds of fancy stuff in there. Got the diffs with the clutch plates in there, and limited slip. 70-75 parts. Chassis braces, shock towers, the chassis, all that fun stuff. Let's crack her open and see what we got. So of course we get the truck in the box, and we get all the parts here. Real nice wrench. Extra shocks, pistons to tune our shocks. The parts to mount up the motor and the ESC. Couple wrenches. Stickers, and the manual. And let's take a look, see if I can do this one-handed here. It's hard to see how cool this looks with a camera, but it's got the way they did the body on this thing is really nice. Got some flat silver, shiny silver, black. So, of course, inside we got aluminum servo mount. We got the aluminum shock braces. They're 70-75. We got the captured pins for the arms. 70-75 chassis. Got the limited slip diffs in the front and center. It has the updated cup style like it's on the EXB, the regular EXB. So pretty much this should be close to what the regular EXB is, with just a longer chassis. Everything looks real nice. I like how it's actually got some skid plate under the front there. And of course I always like the Arrma battery boxes because they got the straps. Got your nice battery straps, place to put your wires so you don't got to worry about them getting stuck in your diff. And it does come with an aluminum servo horn. And in proper fashion, I lost my footage again. You can't tell, we've already run her. I got about probably 4 packs through it already, but wanted to add this part to the beginning of the video to show what I put in. I'm running the Hobbywing Max 8 with the 4274 2200 kilovolt brushless system in it. And I'm just running the DS3225, which is a 25 kilogram servo. And I've had pretty good luck with those, and they're dirt cheap, and that's why I like them. They're like 20 bucks, and they seem to work just fine. And this has the 25 spline servo arm on there, so it fits right in there. Alright guys, me and Josh got the Mojave out here, and we're going to take it for a spin. Getting a trim set up here. This is the first time we've taken her out. Grip's pretty good. Got some good power.
feels really nice though. And this, we have no ABC, TSM, nothing like that. So it's all stock gearing, all that. Oh yeah. Stuck in the tall grass. Gotta be careful with the throttle. She's lots of power. She's fast. You hear them rocks ricochet off the house? Should we try out the ramp? Yeah. Probably break something. Jump's nice. Oh, parked under the truck. That was a little jump. That was a good one. I got some more forest on the axle here. That's what it is to this thing, scale-wise. There we go. Oh, I'm gonna check the heat, make sure she ain't getting warm on us here. And I'll let you try her out. Okay. It jumps really nice.
It's weird how good it jumps.
She's maybe 120 if you're lucky. I can hold my hand on there. 140. You should be alright. It's just like driving a Kaiju, except the front end actually stays down.
Oh yeah, John 6 that.
Yep. Wow, all the way over. She lands on her wheels most of the time. Whoa! No brakes until after it lands. Remember, brakes don't work in the air. It still keeps going. It'll go. Just floor it, drive it over to yourself. Uh-oh. I think you broke it. I don't know how you broke it. You landed it nice and flat. Oh, you did break it. Oh, the tire come off.
Oh, it just came off. Did it come off or did it?
Nope, it just
break?
Nope, just the tire come off. Oh, it did break too.
Oh.
No, a screw come out. What the frick? Yeah, like literally one of the pins where the shocks come out. See this screw? Backed out. So the pin came out and we lost the nut for the shock. I'm going to guarantee you we're not going to find that pin. More than likely it didn't just fall out right here. Well guys, I guess that's it for now. First run, we lost a pin and a wheel all at the same time. We'll catch you back in the house. Found it.